So this one was actually pretty astonishing when it came in. This is the 8th bike that we've ever built. Customer came in, wanted to get upgraded on one of the new 72 volt bikes. So, I kind of said, okay, look, we'll do a trade-in on this one because it's just this bike. I personally polished all these handlebars. We bent them in-house. We did so much work on these early bikes here in Santa Clara. So what we did is we brought this bike back in, got this customer on a new 72 volt bike, and then we went through the whole bike and did a full refurbishment on it. Something we're really proud of is when we develop new technology, we always make it backwards compatible to the earlier bikes. This is just a great example of that. So we put a new battery box, new motor, laced up new wheels on it, did the LCD display, so now it has pedal assist, throttle. You can go through all the 5 different power modes. We put front and rear lights on it. And honestly, this bike should probably belong up on our history wall because it's so special, but we're gonna put it up on the used site and sell it to one of our collectors or lucky new owners.